Could China's man-made islands sink entirely? It's a provocative question, isn't it? These islands are feats of land engineering constructed to stand against waves, tides, and storms. They're not just piles of sand, they're stabilized, fortified, and built to last. So, the idea of them sinking entirely seems remote. However, this doesn't mean they're invincible. Erosion and environmental changes present ongoing challenges. The islands, engineered to withstand natural forces, are not likely to sink, but they do face other challenges. Creating an island is no small feat. It involves significant efforts in land engineering and stabilization. Imagine a colossal sandbox, but instead of sand, it's filled with concrete, steel, and other materials that can withstand the punishing forces of the sea. These man-made landforms are engineered to resist waves, tides, and storms. The design and construction process is an intricate dance of science and art, where every grain of soil matters, every stone has its place. The engineers who mastermind these projects have to think about everything from the island's shape to the type of vegetation that will grow there. It's a meticulous process, but the end result is a testament to human ingenuity. With such extensive engineering and stabilization efforts, these islands are built to last. While it's unlikely that these islands will sink entirely, they could face challenges due to erosion and other environmental factors. It's not just about staying afloat, but also resisting the constant wear and tear from waves, winds, and weather. The relentless lapping of the sea can slowly chip away at the island's edges, making erosion a real concern. Coupled with extreme weather conditions like typhoons, this could lead to significant damage and reshape the landscape over time. And let's not forget the elephant in the room: climate change. As sea levels rise, these islands could face an increased risk of inundation and further erosion. So while the islands are unlikely to sink, they may face various challenges related to erosion and environmental changes over time.